Hey yo, tell these niggas something.
Alright. Got you, bro. Alright. Let's go. I said, I'm flipping and tripping and stacking this bread, my grind is on the same. I'm licking and sticking and bending this bitch, I don't even know her name. The Louis, the Gucci, the Prada design, I'm fresher than the fade. I got your bitch draining me like Dracula. She do what I say like Massa. She do what I say like underlay. Now she topping me faster. Young dope flooding the county out. Newspapers reading dope disaster. I got more shooters than Africa. Your dope run on caution. Kilo dope run on hazard. I'm a hazard. Got a shooter copping grams. Ons looking like some train tracks. Fast money, fast lane. I call that shit racetrack. House to house service. Hover dope at your doormat. I sell a lot of hard, but I thrive off the dope traps. Yeah, I said I thrive off the traps. Dope, traps, dope, traps, dope, traps, dope.
This is how I go.
How it go?
This is how I go. And this is how I go. And this is how I go. Flyer than the most of them, but wiser than the most of them. DJs about to flood the coast with them. Skill level veteran. You know it ain't no coaching him. Wait. Jordan on the mic, and we don't look alike, but you see me and you know it's him, you know it's him. You contend I put you on the poster then, banging on you niggas, and I really hit the rim. That's light, hit the gym, that's life. When them niggas round you try to be your friend, cause you hot now. And that nigga started building brand in Philly, Baltimore to Chi-Town. Nah, sound mixed with OJ, that's what it sound like. Cooked it up with some Old Bay, then put it down. Like your girl fell in love with D cause you ain't put it down right. And I put it down right. Let me get a pound like. Is you mad or no? My status match my catalog, and I don't even have to ball. Fabric soft competition. And not to mention, I'ma end it right there. That's all I'ma say to these niggas.